Hello, today we're going to be building a workflow for product managers in AgentSpot. So PMs live in two worlds, maybe a Slack channel where champions and customers actually report problems, and then Jira where those problems actually get turned into tickets. But those two worlds don't always sync up. Sometimes someone might flag something in Slack and then nobody files it and it just disappears. So AgentSpot can close that gap for you automatically every single morning, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to workflows. I'm going to create a new workflow. And then we're going to go ahead and put our prompt in here. We're going to say, every morning, read the Slack channel AgentSpot champs, then look at Jira and cross-compare the two. Email me issues reported in Slack that are not covered in Jira. So then this is going to build. So now you can see our workflow's done, and we can see this diagram of all the steps that it'll take. So looking at this, you might be wondering, well, what is a workflow and why would we not use an agent? So workflow is a step-by-step orchestration of sub-agents, meaning each one of these steps is an agent. And a workflow is more deterministic than an agent is, meaning it'll take the same step-by-step procedure every time, giving you more consistent results. The other reason why we might do a workflow instead of an agent is that it's asynchronous. So we can go ahead and schedule this to run automatically. And we can choose for it to run hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and it'll run on its own without any human intervention. So we can save that. And then we're actually going to tab over to a pre-made workflow that I've made, and then we'll look at the result. So here we can see the workflow looked at both our Slack and then our Jira, and it cross-referenced the two, and then it made this report filing any issues that weren't covered in Jira. So we can see we have two tables, appendixes of these issues, and they're blurred out for privacy's sake. But it's that easy to build a workflow. With just a simple prompt, AgentSpot creates your workflow, a step-by-step agentic automation that tells us exactly where Slack and Jira stand every morning without anything falling through the cracks. Thank you for joining.